Welcome to Finviz. A lot of our elite users like to customize their technical indicators. RSI, moving averages, MACD, stochastics, rate of change, momentum, ADX, Ichimoku, VWAP, and many more. To get the most out of your indicators, you have the ability to customize them as you please, change the settings, compare them to other indicators, and test various setups. All of this is available even for intraday timeframes. So many combinations and configurations you can test and use in your own screener. Let me quickly show you how it works. Go to Screener, then click on Technical. Click on Plus Filter to add a new custom filter. Choose the indicator you wish to use. Let's select Relative Strength Index. The default is RSI 14, but now you can change the RSI setting to 7 or 21 or whatever you'd like. You could also change the time period to calculate based on week, day, hour, even down to 1 minute based on your trading style. For example, let's select RSI 14 for the 1-day time frame, which is the default. Click Apply, then select your preset, overbought or oversold from the predefined choices, or you can choose custom to set your own levels. Let's pick oversold 30 for this example. If you want to confirm your setup with another RSI, just add another filter. Click Plus Filter, select Relative Strength Index. Let's do RSI 30, but this time for a 1-hour time frame. Click Apply. Now we can choose if we want overbought, oversold, or custom. Let's use oversold 30. Look at those results. There's also a lot you can do with moving averages. Click Plus Filter to add a screen for exponential moving average. Change it to 50 on a 5-minute time frame. For criteria, you can choose how far the price is from the moving average. You could also use custom to create many different combinations, including the moving average crossing above or below other moving averages. Let's use custom and select EMA 50 on the 5-minute time frame has to be above EMA 40 on the 5-minute time frame. Click Submit. If you want to remove a filter, click the drop-down and select Remove Filter. You can also filter the price in comparison to other indicators like Ichimoku Cloud or Bollinger Bands. Click Plus Filter, select Price, choose your time frame. Click Apply. In the pop-up, choose the indicator. Let's say we want the price on a 1-hour time frame across above a Bollinger Band of 10 1.5, lower band on the 1-hour time frame. Click Submit. Look at those results. Select the criteria you want and customize the settings to fit your own strategy. Find what works for you. Develop your algorithm and take your trading to the next level. Good luck, and thank you for using Finviz.